What the hell are New Yorkers doing at 1 o'clock in the morning?
I couldn't tell you, but we better find out quick. We're at 1.5 now.
Roll back on locals.
Going blackout, sir.
And where the hell is Flynn?
That New York Times report was a load of crap. How would I know where she got those safety reports? She's probably one of those Greenpeace whores, if you want me to be honest with you. It's all a fake news ordeal. What with all the Chernobyl and the Hudson Who play, you know? Listen, we passed all NRC protocol, and that's all that matters.
Flynn?
I do care about the reputation of my business. Let me tell you, I'm not cheap. I'm not cheap. No, I'm not bragging or anything. But my Natasha, she's a doll, you know? And she's a very expensive one, too.
Flynn, you can't need you upstairs. We're 1.5 away from the
Hey,
moon.
Till, could you hold on a minute? I'm on a conference call. Don't you have any decency?
The reactor is melting.